Please take note. Naughty words might slip out. The show may contain bad language. If you are easily offended, please turn off the ghetto blaster and tune into Classic FM. Is right, La. Kidder. Lid.
We play the best songs, all the right songs on around town radio. We play the best songs, all the right songs. Yeah, yeah.
Nice to see you.
Walking around this town for too long, and now your brain's dead looking for a place to belong. So many endless days, too many bloodshot eyes. When are you gonna wake up? What will you realize? Because you're driving me crazy, and you're not so out of touch. Why don't you just save me? 'Cause you've been here long enough. Hey, what you wanna say? I don't wanna be late, so I'm gonna pick it up another gear. Come on, get on out of here. You never look outside, so you never know. I remember when you used to be simpatico. You never open your eyes, so you never see. When are you gonna wake up? When are you gonna believe? Because you're driving me crazy, and you're not so out of touch. Why don't you just save me? 'Cause you've been here long enough. Hey, what you wanna say? I don't wanna be late, so I'm gonna pick it up another gear. Come on, get on out of here. Hey, what you wanna say? I don't wanna be late, so I'm gonna pick it up another gear. Come on, get on out of here. Gotta pick it up another gear. Come on, get on out of here. Hey, what you wanna say? I don't wanna be late, so I'm gonna pick it up another gear. Come on, get on out of here. Hey, what you wanna say? I don't wanna be late, so I'm gonna pick it up another gear. Come on, get on out of here. Hey, what you wanna say? I don't wanna be late, so I'm gonna pick it up another gear. Come on, get on out of here.
Round Sound Radio Top 20.
Steve Thompson and the Incidents live on Round Sound Radio.
Bloody good show.
And we're winging it.
The best unsigned and original music the Northwest has to offer. Tune in Thursday at 8 p.m.
We are Haggerty, and you are listening to Round Sound Radio.
The inside eyes are looking in.
Now then, all, welcome to Round Town Radio with me, Doug Fraun. We're going to do the traditional Top 20 UK chart show for you. And we have a cracking show indeed. We have 5 brand new entries into the charts this week. We're going to kick you off with this week's number 20. The Johns have made a re-entry back into our charts with Stone Across My Cave. What an absolute tune. Have a gand.
Telling myself I'll be out of here soon, that my life is gonna change. But suddenly my plans have gone and I've lost all my aims. But I try not to let it get me down. I'm trying hard to escape this town. And fewer people notice who I am, don't even know who I wanna be. And when I try to tell her what I mean, she tells me that it's just a dream. Well, the fact is everything's out of reach, or so it seems from the way they teach. And I've been waiting now for far too long, that my chance in life is rolling away. Seems I've been trying now for far too long, and the stone has rolled across my cave. My cave. Can anyone show me the way? It's closing in, my life is closing in. I'm nowhere near to where I should have been. It's closing in, my life is closing in. I'm nowhere near to where I should have been. Well, the plans you've got are what keep you alive, but every day they're just passing me by. And I've been waiting now for far too long, that my chance in life is rolling away. Seems I've been trying now for far too long, and the stone has rolled across my cave. My cave, my cave. Can anyone show me the way? Chance in life is rolling away. Seems I've been trying now for far too long, and the stone has rolled across my cave. My cave, my cave, my cave. Can anyone show me the way?
John, you just broke your guitar?
I don't give a shit.
You know the crack by now, guys. When we play the songs tonight, the charts will actually be going up on Saturday on the website. Then you will know where you stand. That doesn't really matter because you're listening to the show, so you will find out before anybody else does how that's going to go. All links will also be getting posted again, guys, on Saturday evening. Right, up next we have a brand new entry from the Black Cat Bones. Anyone who's into their hard old school rock is going to absolutely love this. This band are doing absolutely brilliant around the country. They are a Liverpool based band, but they're going out there, mate, and they're giving people what they want. This is this week's number 19, guys, The River.
To the river.
That really is a very lovely mixed track. That is absolutely brilliant. That was the Black Cat Bones guys with The River, this week's number 19. And at 18 this week, we have another brand new entry again by Slow Down World with The Day of the Unconquered Sun. I've had to shorten this down a little bit for the chart. It's some title for the track that in. Have a go, guys. I believe he's good friends with Red Winter as well, I hear. Hello, Joe, if you're listening. Have a go. This week's number 18, guys. Slow Down World with the Day of the Unconquered Sun.
Every living being will they must
Definitely a grower, that tune. I love the way the guitar's sort of slightly out of sync. They've obviously meant to do that. Really good tune. It's grown on me a lot, that. Right, Sunday show, guys. What have we got for you? The new entries for next Sunday will be Kev Scott. We have The Clear. We have Dazzler Jacks. Keith Lally. We have Cascadia, Fault Line. It's just because I'm just reading from the flyer and the bloody writing's okay, Alien. And The Swagger. In the live lounge, we have the brilliant Naomi Campbell. We've got a good interview there. It was a good interview as well. It was a nice chat. And she plays us a few tunes, a couple of her old ones and a couple of her new ones. We also have videos featured by The Magic Ease, The Glass Poppies, Alex Cambridge, and Red Winter, and a hell of a lot more than that. That's just to name a few. Right, I'm going to give you a little clip of this week's Live Lounge audio. This was taken the other day. This was from Naomi Campbell. Now, we've had Hey Lindsay in our chart previously. This is a stripped back acoustic version, totally different version, very, very low-key version of Hey Lindsay. Have a go.
They walked into my life, bold as brass, the kind I like, with their big brown eyes, telling me they like the sound of my voice, and it doesn't take long. My mind's made up, my web is spun, and it would be alright if only I'd known it was just for the night. Then I'm on the phone, telling her I found the one, and she laughs at me. She says, will you stop falling so easily? And I say, hey Lindsay, don't you worry, we're so different, but you know me. I fool around and you settle me down, and you always know what to say. Hey Lindsay, don't you worry, we're so different, but you know me. I fool around and you settle me down, and even miles away you make it okay. Now they're walking to my life, my heart in their hands, they're squeezing it tight, and I'm already in, making plans, cause I never see through the lies. Then I'm on the phone, telling her how to let me down, and she cries for me. She says your little heart breaks so easily. And I say, hey Lindsay, don't you worry, we're so different, but you know me. I fool around and you settle me down, and you always know what to say. Hey Lindsay, don't you worry, we're so different, but you know me. I fool around and you settle me down, and even miles away you make it okay. I remember when all we talked about was who we wanted to be. Now we still the same girls, you and me. You walk into my life, bold as brass. I forgot I was shy, and we never looked back. You always said you liked the sound of my voice. Now we're on the phone, and you're telling me how proud you are, and you laugh at me, cause I still won't stop falling easily. And I say, hey Lindsay, don't you worry, we're so different, but you know me. I fool around and you settle me down, and you always know what to say. Hey Lindsay, don't you worry now, we're so different, but you know me. I fool around and you settle me down, and even miles away you make it okay. Oh, you make it okay. make it okay.
Unsigned and original music on Round Sound Radio. Showcasing the best of the best. Acts throughout Liverpool and the Northwest.
When you dance with the devil,
I'm left out. I will never be a rock star.
Round Sound, original and unsigned music. Every Sunday, 8 p.m. till 10 p.m.
Naomi's actually just got a copy back from the studio of her brand new EP, and she's very, very excited. She sent me a copy over. I can't wait to have a little listen to that over the weekend. And she's let me judge which one I shall run with the chart. It'll be the review of the reviewer, if you like. Right, excellent. Okay, let's crack on with the chart, guys. At number 17 this week, we have the fabulous Jade Tremarco's My Fault Anyway. It is up 1 place this week, guys. It has been with us for 8 weeks.
Someone when you disagree? Is it bad to hate someone when they won't listen to me? Is it bad to hurt so much you wanna be sick? I can't take this anymore. Is it mad to say I like you but I clearly don't? Is it mad to me what I think but not what I say? Is it mad to sit and listen to your abuse all day? I can't take this anymore. Cause I love and hate you, but I don't. I love to love you, but I won't. I'd love to say goodbye, but I don't. What can I say? It is my fault anyway. Yeah, my fault anyway. Is it strange to you that I stand up for myself? Is it weird that I just speak my mind? I won't listen to no one else. Is it mad at you because you're so afraid? I can't take this anymore. Cause I love to hate you, but I don't. Oh, I love to rid of you, but I won't. I'd love to say goodbye, but I don't. What can I say? It is my fault anyway. Yeah. My fault anyway.
You know, it's just awfully good that someone with the temperament of Donald Trump is not in charge of the law in our country.
Because you'd be in jail.
Jade Tremarco with My Fault Anyway. Right, at number 16, guys, we have Lost Confusion with a brand new entry this week with Me and You. I expect them to do a little bit better than this on the first week, Lost Confusion. I think they might have missed the post or something like that. Might have to clarify for them that it's actually on here. Right, this is Lost Confusion, guys. This week's number 16 tune.
Lost confusion
I've been so busy, but I've been thinking about, oh, what I wanna do with you. No, them other girls, they been talking about the way I do what I do. And they heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. I can see you want it too. Oh, babe, it's me and you. Oh, it's me and you. Oh, it's me and you. It's me and you. Oh, it's me and you. Oh, it's me and you. It's me and you. Oh, it's me and you. Oh, it's me and you. It's me and you. Oh, it's me and you. Oh, it's me and you. Do it again. Oh, do it again. Do it again. Oh, do it again. Do it again. Oh, do it again. Oh, show it again. Do it, do it.
I was waiting for you to tell me you were ready. I know what to do if only you would let me. As long as you're cool with it, I'll treat you right. Here is where you wanna be. I know them other guys, they've been talking about the way I do what I do. They heard I was good, they wanna see if it's true. They know you're the one I wanna give it to. I can see you want me too.
Oh, it's me and you. Oh, it's me and you. It's me and you. Oh, it's me and you. Oh, it's me and you. It's me and you. Oh, it's me and you. Oh, it's me and you. It's me and you. Oh, it's me and you. Oh, it's me and you. Do it again. Oh, do it again. Do it again. Oh, do it again. Do it again. Oh, do it again. Oh, show it again. Do it, do it.
You know I want you on my life, you know I want you. I've been waiting patiently for you to make decisions, baby. Cause I'm cool like that, got moves like that, come through like that. Got me thinking about you like that, you know I do it like that. I was only trying to get you back, I was trying to find out where you at. Cause I was moving for the trap all day. Someone's bouncing off my shiny Rolay. She was coming right after the rose. It didn't finish there, she wanted some more play.
Just me and you, we're gonna do it just me and you. They never do it like me and you. Me and you, me and you, me and you. Oh, it's me and you. Oh, it's me and you. It's me and you. Oh, it's me and you. Oh, it's me and you. It's me and you. Oh, it's me and you. Oh, it's me and you. It's me and you. Oh, it's me and you. Oh, it's me and you. Do it again. Oh, do it again. Do it again. Oh, do it again. Do it again. Oh, do it again. Oh, show it again. Do it, do it.
Round Sound Radio is a radio station like no other. A platform for musicians and fans to network and make friends. Working together, we are stronger and more creative. We believe music and community work hand in hand. The show focuses on unsigned and original music from all over the UK. We have weekly live lounge sessions, a UK Top 20 chart, and regular interviews with up-and-coming talent throughout the UK. In a way, I guess we are the first foot on the ladder for musicians to get heard. Tune in Thursdays and Sundays at 8 PM at www.roundsoundradio.co.uk. If you would like your music featured on the show, please email us at roundsound@inbox.com and include an MP3 attachment and a bio. Thanks for listening.
Down just the 4 places this week at number 15 we have Interrobang with Don't Try. It's only been in the chart for 44 weeks.
Stereotyping people just ain't on. Most of the time they're all wrong, they're all wrong, they're all wrong. Just cause I've got a hat and a hood, it doesn't mean that you're gonna get mugged, yo. I won't dig up on you from behind, or even rob the blind, that shit ain't right. Like kids being introduced to the crack pipe, not getting taught to read and write. The right's from wrong, it don't take long, that's gonna be a completely different song. This is about stereotyping people, for real, it happens those days, yeah, it's real. Don't go robbing no one else's style, if you think it's new then you're in denial. It's like you see now, you're fucking insane. Have you got a clock going to the vein in your brain?
Don't try and hang with the big boy. Nah, 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 nah. Don't try and hang with the big boy. Nah, 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 nah. Don't try and hang with the big boys, no.
Call me a chav and I call you a prick. Call me a chav and I say you're talking shit. Call me a chav, I say you've got it all wrong. Don't call me a chav, now correct me if I'm wrong. But saying me chav is as bad as being sexist or a crazy man being racist, making people feel alienated. It's this type of shit that make kids act like tits, bounce around getting ass with a kicks. It doesn't matter if you're a mosher or even a chav, all of those words are just as bad. Every time they said it makes people conform to attacking people for the clothes that I wore. The music they listen to, you're one of them and take a bang, say fuck you. Yeah, you say fuck you.
Don't try and hang with the big boy. Nah, 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 nah. Don't try and hang with the big boy. Nah, 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 nah. Don't try and hang with the big boys, no.
They're busy cracking on in the studio, I believe, at the minute in Terabang, but I'm kind of missing them. I do like going to Terabang's live shows. They're very, very good indeed. Very loud, very in your face, and they're just generally cracking lads. So, yeah, I'm very much looking forward to getting out and seeing them at their next gig, whenever that may be. Up next, guys, at number 14, we have a very heavy band indeed in your face. Cannibal Animal with Grand Theft Manual. It's a non-mover this week. It has been with us 2 weeks. I really do like this tune, and it is definitely growing on me more and more. Sorry about that. Just I haven't loaded into the system. Here we go. That's the one. That's better. Now I'm shaping. Oh, so professional at all times.
Do you fancy a weekend in Scotland? Historic, graceful lands, and a warm welcome? Well, do not go to Scotland, because all you will find is drunken wankers, rain and minus 25-degree winters. I have lived here the best part of 30 years, and every morning when I wake, I think about suicide. Magaluf, Spain, France, Ireland. Actually, fuck Ireland. But why on earth would you come here when you could go there? You stupid British bastards. Fuck off and let us perish in peace.
The Texas whole fucking school, I call one fucking Scotland. We can't fucking tell you if you go fucking anywhere.
Righty, and at number 13 this week, it's a brand new entry from James Crimmin with Mahalo Mahalo. It has been with us just the 1 week. It's a lovely tune, this, guys. Have a go. This is this week's number 13. Very closely approaching our top 10 this week.
Living now, iron blue, steel town sobs for you. Living now, iron blue, steel town sobs for you. Living now, iron blue, steel town knocks you down. Sifting steps, avoidance, jolts, forgot what I was born to do. It wasn't clear when I got here that the ground was shattered glass. Now I must grab a gun in time, this bullet shall pass. Shifting squares across the sand, struggling round the hill. Hunters sell, raging tides, hunters sell to kill. Mahalo, mahalo, maha, maha, oh. Mahalo, mahalo, it's the only thing I know.
it's the only thing I know.
I got the money, I got your money, I got the details and the money. I got your soul code and your cash card too. I got the pin code coming to you. Money.
And at number 12 this week, guys, we have Interrobang again with Dreams. It is up the one place. It has been with us 27 weeks. Have a cand.
I can't close my eyes, I can't go to sleep. I'm having dreams of things that you wouldn't believe. I'm dreaming about the past and the future. Wars to be had, but we end up losing. A bomb to drop and it sounds like beatboxing. Next thing you know, half the country starts dropping to the ground like we're trying break dancing. Then it realised it was gas that had passed them. And this is when I wake myself up, because if you die in dreams, you never wake up. Like when falling from a great height, I always wake myself up before I see the light. Light, 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 light. These dreams. Getting crazier every day, it seems. These dreams. Where's that ready for the seams? These dreams. Getting crazier every day, it seems. These dreams. I can't close my eyes, these dreams are making me surprised. You're getting even more messed up and fed up, enough's enough, getting to sleep's real tough. Started daydreaming about the day Prince William rules. He sacks politicians, makes his own rules. Next thing you know, though, he gets fooled by Harry, who doors him in a fight to be king. Nothing more, nothing less, it's a real mess, like an old school conquest. Nothing left but chunks of flesh. Flesh, 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 flesh. These dreams. They're getting crazier every day, it seems. These dreams. Getting worse, I'm ready for the scenes. These dreams. They're getting crazier every day, it seems. These dreams. Stopping me from going to sleep. Nothing helps, not even counting sheep. If I count sheep, they turn to zombies, turning up everywhere like people in onesies. They're not part of the human race. All you gotta do is smash them in the face. Yo, meteors are coming from outer space. They're crashing into Earth and destroying the whole place. Now getting to the safe zone becomes a race. If I see a zombie on the way, smash him in the face, pull him in your place. Do your bit and help start the race before we lose our place. What? These dreams. Getting crazier every day, it seems. These dreams. Getting worse, I'm ready for the scenes. These dreams. Getting crazier every day, it seems. These dreams.
Absolutely loving it. That was Interrobang with Dreams. Right, at number 11 this week, guys, we have another brand new entry by Karen Turley with Restless. This got played on our show on Sunday and it has gone straight in this week at number 11. Well done. Absolute tune as well. Have a go with this, guys. Karen Turley, Restless.